What's up guys, this is Theo here coming to you live with another JavaScript coding tutorial. I wanted to make a very quick, probably under 5 minutes tutorial about how to implement what it seems like a very beginner sort of weeding out question on FizzBuzz. I think this is a very universal question regardless of language. I'm going to do it in JavaScript. The concepts apply all over the board, no matter if you're writing it in Java, C#, Ruby, Python, PHP, whatever it is. It doesn't matter. So basically this question, what it asks you to do is iterate through a list of numbers and sort of check, if the number is divisible by 3, then all we want to do is log out, fizz. If it's divisible by 5, log out buzz. And if it's divisible by 3 and 5, I want to log out FizzBuzz. And so basically this tests your knowledge of loops, sort of conditional logic, and sort of organization of your function. So we're going to wrap it in a function, and so we can sort of create this reusable module of code. And so let's get started. So what we're going to call it is just function FizzBuzz, and basically this is just going to take in a number. And all it's going to do is going to iterate in a loop as long as it's less than the number, and we're going to check on some conditions. So first one we're going to do. Remember how I said it employs some logic. We're going to say if I is divisible by 3, triple equals, and I is divisible by 5, 0. Then we just want to log out FizzBuzz. Okay, so pretty simple, right? Well, I'm just showing you guys a very simple interview question. Else if I is divisible by 3, then we just want to console.log fizz. Else if I is divisible by 5, we just want to console.log buzz. And if it doesn't meet any of these conditions, we'll just console.log value of I is plus I. Okay, so we have our code wrapped nicely in that function. Let's just check it out. So we'll do var test, we'll set that equal to 50. We'll do var test 2, set that equal to 55. And we'll do var test 3. We'll set that equal to 100. So our test case. Now let's run what we have. Let's see. So we've got our function. So let's run FizzBuzz. Now we got FizzBuzz with run it with test and see what we get. Okay. So it's going through 50, right? So the first one, since it's starting at 0, right? Okay, let's just start it with 1, guys. Y is less than or equal to. So value of I is 1 because that's not divisible by 3 and 5. 2, same. So our first value we get fizz, right? So it went through this first little conditional and said, no, doesn't meet that, right? We could also do this with a switch statement, but I think it's nice to sort of see how the control flow of the program is working. So basically, yeah, you can just check out, what's working, right? Buzz, this is 50 right here, and 50 is divisible by 3 and 5. Indeed, 50 divided by 5 is 10, and 50 divided by 3 is, let me see, 50 divided by 3, wait, hold on, oh, sorry, buzz, right, 50 divided by 5, and we get a FizzBuzz at 45, right? Because 45 divided by 5 is 9, and 45 divided by 3, I believe, is 15. Yeah. Okay, so very simple. We can try out a few of our other examples. Test 2, sort of same thing. Just sort of verify, and test 3. Test 3, since it's going to 100, we see we're not getting as many FizzBuzzes, but everything's logging out nicely. So I just wanted to show you guys how this would work. Maybe try it with a smaller number, like change this to 10. Go back into test. So we have I1, 2, fizz, so you can sort of see everything in action. And 5 and 3, what would be our first one? Let me go up to 15. So 15, 5, and 3, so you can see that we get all of our conditions here. So yeah, guys, really quick tutorial. Maybe you guys already know it, maybe you don't. Just wanted to sort of brush up on it. I think it's really important in coding to be able to do algorithms and data structures, even if you might not use it every day on the job, because it's like a puzzle and it keeps your brain sharp. I'm trying to get better at them myself. I use Code Wars. I'll be honest, a lot of those on there are really intimidating, and I feel like I have no business trying to solve them. So I'm really trying to work at that. But let me know if you guys want to see any other algorithms or data structure questions. I know I made a video on how to implement a stack, and I think I've done one on a queue, but maybe we could work in some linked lists, some binary search trees, some more sorts, hash maps, hash tables, graphs, trees, or tries, whatever. Just let me know. But anyways, guys, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Always appreciate the support. Always appreciate the feedback, the comments. And yeah, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace.